Namaskar. We always expect people younger than us to respect us and call us with respect. And in our Indian culture, we say G after the name, Deepika G. So, but why is it always that we expect our younger ones to respect us? Why can't we respect them? Shouldn't we? If a person is younger than you but he's holding a good office or a higher position and is knowledgeable and is well respected in his field, then can't we just respect them a little bit by addressing them as Deepika Ji or Ramesh Ji or Sagar Ji? Why can't we use these respected words? We should respect our younger ones also. It's not that, if we respect our younger ones, we will not become small. In fact, we will show our large heartedness when we respect them. We respect them for their work, we respect for their office, we respect them for the title they are holding. So it's always good to respect them, and it's always good to address them with great respect and admiration. Even the younger ones these days are doing great work. It's not necessary that only the elderly people or people who have worked for many years in a particular field are more knowledgeable or experienced. The younger generation is also equally knowledgeable these days, even more in some cases. I also personally feel at times that my children are more knowledgeable than me. When we share our views, when we share our thoughts, sometimes you just keep listening to them because you know that they are talking sense. So why shouldn't we respect them? So my advice would be to respect your younger ones also. Treat them as equal, treat them as an adult, treat them as an individual, and give them their due respect. Thank you. God bless us all.